Does size matter? When it comes to nail clippers, the answer is absolutely. So here's the deal. If you have looked at nail clippers before, you've probably noticed there are two sizes. One is small, one is large. The reason is because they have two different functions. The small nail clippers are for your hands. The larger ones are actually for your feet. The reason there are two different sizes is because the nails on your hands and your feet are also two different sizes. They're also usually thicker on your feet. And so a thicker nail that's also larger needs a more robust, amazing clipper. And so it's going to be a little bit longer, it's going to be a little bit wider, and you're going to get more leverage to cut through those thicker nails easier. For your fingernails, you can use a fingernail clipper, which is going to be a little bit smaller. You don't need that big monster like leverage to get through those things. You may because you got monster fingernails, but most dudes don't. Here's the deal. You want to make sure that you're using a high quality nail clipper, both for your feet and for your fingers, because if you're using something cheap, it has a tendency to break your nail and be a little bit more jagged. If you guys are looking for an incredibly high quality clipper set, both for the toes and the fingers, guys, PeteandPedro.com has got you covered.